Are you flirting with me?
So you see it as flirting and not me just liking you.
What could you possibly like about me outside of physical attraction?
That's the energy we bring, you know?
Agent, you do know you're stepping outside of your boundaries, right? I don't think you understand the fire you're playing with. People get killed for doing this. I should know. I've been there. I don't think you want to do this.
So I'll go between you and Soldier Boy and stepping out of line this because if I should remember correctly, Mr. Mullins said the nearly mash up on our decks.
This is really what they talk about when they say young birds don't know stop. You knew the history of what goes on with that? You wouldn't talk about it. You really don't want to go down that road. You don't. Leave that alone.
Alright. So that's something I can't like you. Can't pass through at least 3 times a day. Can't be friends. Just check up now and then.
Well, as you say, it's a public space. You can pass through anytime you want. I do have a bartender. But remember, at no time you should make her feel uncomfortable.
Alright, Miss Pearl. So what kind of assignment did you plan?
Agent, come on, you know better than that. That's on a need to know basis. And you don't need to know.
Well, can tell you mine. You know about that little phone jug thing there where them a put on the ATM. A jug off the girl them and them thing there. Me I run after.
You do know you're not supposed to divulge information like that. It's obvious that you need training.
But are you may I talk to? Aren't we on the same side? And even if I want training, I guess I find my trainer.
Have you gotten any leads on this phone thing that you're talking about?
Well, that information I can't give. It's on a need to know base. And I don't think you need to know.
I can see you're learning fast.
Yeah, come have a good trainer. But like out there at the bar already, can't find something to drink.
You don't give up, do you? Okay, thank you. I'll have a beer. Are you drinking something else?
Yeah, I'll take a beer as well.
Okay.
And so me have it on the boy now, I'ma be about 3 or 5. By the time I look to blow out, I miss some Mullins that. So me have to rate it, me no cause. Could have killed me, but give me a chance. Yeah, man come catch me with the big XTC in my hand and man give me a chance, you know. That's why me have to rate Mr. Mullins.
You at an XTC?
Hmm. A matter of fact, 2 of them we have in my gang, but I don't know when they're on that side there again, you know? They're on the good side, you know.
Wow. We use those rifles in the army. You had a very colorful life.
Well, not really. That was one time, you know. Right now, I'm on the good side of the law, you know. Your life sound colorful too. I would love to know more.
Well, I was. Hold on. Hey, babe. Yeah, I'm at the bar. So, are you coming up this weekend? Yeah. Where would you like to go? Okay. I'll make the reservations. Yeah.
Yo, Pearl, you know, want something else to drink?
It's a customer.
So you say.
I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'll deal with a customer. What was that?
Do something wrong?